Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today I'll show you stored procedure with out parameter. In my previous video I have shown you stored procedure with in parameters. So if you want to start from basic of stored procedure, you can watch my previous video where I have created this get student list procedure. So in this video as well I'm going to create procedure and I'm going to create procedure with out parameter. So you can also watch this video if you don't want to go to basic. So I'm going to use this student table. So basically what procedure I'm going to create is that I'll be sending a range of marks, let's say upper limit and lower limit, and I'll be getting the count of students. Then that in this range of marks, how many students are there? So let's get started. So firstly write delimiter. So delimiter is basically to send as a single unit of all SQL statements. So now write create procedure. So now let's give name get student count in range. So first in parameter is lower limit, so it's going to be integer type. Second is also going to be in type and it's going to be upper limit, also in type. Now third parameter is out type. So I want to get student count, so out parameter is going to be student count and it's also going to be a integer type. So now write begin and end. So now write select. So here I need count of students. So write count. Let's say ID I'm going to count from student. So in where condition marks will be there. Marks between lower limit and upper limit. Now we need to pass value to our output parameter. So for that count ID pass into student count. So now let's create our procedure. And now let's go to routine and check our procedure. So now let's execute it. So in execution there is a upper limit and a lower limit. So I need to pass, let's say 80 and let's say upper limit 100. So it's giving error of unknown column marks. So let me just edit my procedure. And okay, so I have written marks and column name is mark only. So here you can see my parameters in out and in out. So it's basically parameter out is there for third one. Now let's save. So now let's execute our procedure. So write 80 and 100. Now let's say go. Now you can see we are getting student count as 15 here. So now let me again execute with let's say 70 and 80 upper limit. Now let's go. So now you can see count is changed here. So only 8 students are present in 70 to 80 range. So now how to call it using a query without parameters. So firstly write call, procedure name, and inside that pass in parameters, let's say 70 and 80. After that out parameter, you need to define it like at the rate and I'm passing stu. So I'm creating a session variable in MySQL with at the rate sign. You can create a session variable. So after that I'm going to select my session variable, that is at the rate stu. Now execute the query and you can see the output that it's also giving 8 output. So that's how you can create a store procedure without parameters. So if you have doubt related to this topic, then you can comment down below. So in my next video, I'll show you how to create a procedure with INOUT parameters. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.